Dear students, in this video, I will tell you how you can add a voiceover on Canva. In this video, I will show you 2 methods. If you find this video helpful, please like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon given alongside. First, open your project that you are working on in your edit. Now, what you have to do is click on the share button here. Here, click on More, and then click on Present and Record. Leave this as it is, and click on Start Recording. The timer has started. 3, 2, 1, and the voice has started recording. In this way, you can record your voice. This was the first method. To stop it, click on End Recording. Now here, you can download your recorded voice and upload it. That was the first method, and I'll tell you the second method. For that, what you have to do is upload your voice. As soon as you upload your voice, after that, drag it and adjust it in your project. And that was the second method. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon given alongside.